Hi and welcome to the demo video for the workflow parallel split activity. In this demo we build a typical workflow that needs a lot of activities running in parallel. We design an HR onboarding workflow. In this case a lot of activities have to be done by different teams. For example, the purchase team has to order a new laptop and desk, the security team has to create accounts for all relevant systems, and many more. For each workflow, you can define an individual input mapping for transferring data between the actual parent workflow to the sub-workflows. Just click on the specific workflow and choose the input mapping on the right. Then drag and drop your local variables and assign them with the sub-workflow variables. To merge the outcomes from all sub-workflows together, you have to first map each single sub-workflow outcome to a variable. To do so, select the parallel split shape and press the Output Mapping button in the right panel. Select each workflow and choose the optional outcome parameter for mapping. Repeat this until all outcomes from all sub-workflows are available in the Output Mapping canvas. After that, you can assign each outcome to the predefined outcome variable. After parallel execution, you should check if the outcomes from sub-workflows are valid to continue and finish your onboarding process. To do so, drag the condition after the parallel split into the designer and compare each outcome variable with the string that you set as outcome in the specific sub-workflow. If you publish and run the parent workflow, all sub-workflows will be deployed to and started by the parallel split after the parent workflow is started. Thank you for watching the video and exploring the incredible features that Simplifier has to offer. To learn more, visit community.simplifier.io, where you can experience it firsthand for yourself, or schedule a demo with one of our Simplifier experts. With that being said, stay awesome.